If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Samaren bag, a Lavender and Twine pattern. Oh my gosh, this one here I debated selling, but I'm completely keeping this for myself. This one here I have done in a 100% leather, so I used a suede leather as well as a smoother leather. These are both from a cow. This is the perfect bag for leather or vinyl or cotton or whatever you want to do. This one I made specifically for myself because I've been hoarding this suede leather, not sure what I wanted to do with it, and this is perfection. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So what I love about it, as you can see, it is a decent sized medium handbag. It kind of has this 3D feature around the sides. See how it kind of pokes in? This is amazing for color blocking if you wanted to switch up colors and how you have them. This one I have done with a double-sided strap. On the back you have a zipper pocket with an overlay. This one, there's two ways of finishing this bag. You can do it with a zipper closure, which is in a really unique way, or snaps, and I decided to do it in snaps because I'm one that has my bag open most of the time anyways. And then there's a generous slip pocket as well as a slip pocket on the other side. Now it is black inside, but that lining fits in there so tight and perfect. I just completely loved making this bag. Now what I did to complement it is I went ahead and I made myself a Deuce Coupe doubles up wallet in the same leather. This is a Pin It Up Patterns pattern, which is a collaboration between myself and Anna of Galaxy Customs. This is our pattern company. So these two together are absolutely amazing. The perfect set. My Deuce Coupe I decided to do with 10 card slots and then a gusseted zipper pocket section. So if you are one of my clients and you would like to make one of these, or you would like to order one of these bags in leather or vinyl or whatever you would like, you know what to do. All my information is below. If you're part of the bag makers community, I do not have a tutorial on this one, mainly because Erica of Lavender and Twine makes her own tutorials that come when you purchase the pattern. Now this is a must-have. Lavender and Twine, I always learn so much from her patterns. She has a genius mind when it comes to design, and honestly most of my personal bags that I've done in leather in the past have been a Lavender and Twine's pattern. I just love Erica's designs. So I'll link down below. We can go and buy this. You can check out her tutorial. I watched her tutorials learning some of the new techniques here. It's absolutely amazing. So make sure you support her and go and buy this pattern. And of course, if you want to make a matching Deuce Coupe, I have that link down below as well. And this is on my mine and Anna's pattern release page. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.